Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the maintenance of your MSI MS 15K1, first, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and compressed air for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing screws and parts. Start by turning off the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. It's important to let it cool down if it has been in use. Once cooled, remove the battery if your model allows it. This prevents any accidental power on during maintenance. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws organized, as they vary in size. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation to help you get started. After unscrewing, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. Once opened, you will see the internal components, including the hard drive, RAM, and cooling fans. To clean the internal parts, especially around the fans, use the compressed air canister. Hold it upright and use short bursts to blow out any dust and debris. This is crucial for maintaining cooling efficiency. If you feel uncomfortable doing this, don't forget we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help. While you're inside, check the RAM slots. If you want to upgrade or clean them, gently release the clips holding the RAM and slide it out. Make sure to handle the RAM by the edges to avoid static damage. If you need assistance, just remember, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in pricing. After cleaning and checking the components, it's time to reassemble. Place the back panel back on and screw it in securely. Make sure all screws are tightened properly, as loose screws can lead to additional issues down the line. Finally, reconnect the battery, plug the laptop back into the power source, and power it on. Check that everything is functioning correctly. Regular maintenance like this can significantly improve your laptop's lifespan and performance. If you find any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for help. No calls, no travel. We make it convenient for you to get the support you need. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.